Continuing education credits generally must meet specific guidelines. These guidelines often involve the subject matter that courses cover. Firstly, courses must cover topics related to real estate practice. These topics include ethics, law, finance, and marketing. Secondly, the number of credit hours required varies by state. Thirdly, courses must be approved by a recognized provider within the state where the credits are needed. Fourthly, credits must be earned within a specified time frame, typically every 2 to 3 years. Several resources are available to find approved courses. 1. Check with the local real estate board or association. 2. Visit the website of the state real estate licensing agency. 3. Contact accredited online course providers. 4. Search for courses that meet the specific credit requirements in the relevant state. In Washington State, the Washington Real Estate Commission, or REC, offers a continuing education course calendar and a list of online course providers. Nationally, the National Association of Realtors, or NAR, provides an NAR education center offering online courses. Realtor University also provides online courses. These online courses can help real estate professionals meet their continuing education requirements efficiently. It is crucial to ensure that any chosen course meets the specific requirements of the relevant state licensing agency to maintain licensure.